Welcome to the ESAB booth. Hey guys, my name's Doug. I'm at the ESAB booth. I'm product manager for ESAB, so come on in, let me show you what's going on today. One of the things we got going on is the new Cutmaster 40. Now the big message about that is it cuts a 1/2 inch and it's a 110-230. It's an awesome machine, got it in a nice rugged case. Also what we got going on is the Cutmaster 58, classic thermodynamics cutter, and the legendary Cutmaster 60i. All of them ready to demo, so anytime you want to come down here and try it out, we're ready to go. We got rulers of the flame going on here. You get to cut out this bad boy. And for a bonus, we got bracket play.